Yeah, so just to complete the video, maybe this is what we missed. Just so yeah, it confirms what you've seen in the previous video. So here you have the mounting options of the GoPro and how to use it. And so yeah, you'll just have to open this small stuff and then put it inside this accessory. Yeah, and then you just fix it with the screws, and then you're ready to go. It's almost the same size. So for the helmet fix or for the hand grip, you just need to push it inside and then push tightly and back. You'll get it fixed and mounted. Okay, so yeah, but how to open it, it's another story. So thank you again for watching, and stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and enjoy.